Using the power of GMB Crush, you can now conduct an in-depth SEO audit on any Google business listing to see how they compare against your top 3 competitors. The audit feature is powered by the GMB Miner section of GMB Crush and allows users to identify hidden SEO factors influencing the local 3-pack to unleash an optimized shareable SEO plan in less than 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. Using the power of GMB Crush, you can now conduct an in-depth SEO audit on any Google business listing to see how they compare against your top 3 competitors. The audit feature is powered by the GMB Miner section of GMB Crush and allows users to identify hidden SEO factors influencing the local 3-pack to unleash an optimized shareable SEO plan in less than 5 minutes. First, enter your targeted keyword for the first field. So let's say mold removal New York, and select through which device and location you will run the audit for. Once you've determined the audit location of your choice, let's say New York, we will ask for confirmation on all information as this process requires 1 credit. The next step is to choose which GMB listing of your choice will be associated with the audit. If you have an existing MyGMB listing, which was previously imported into the system, click to Existing MyGMB, and then select from the drop-down menu any official MyGMB listing that you want to associate this audit with. If you don't have access to an existing MyGMB listing, simply click on Add a new GMB and scroll down. Choose one of the top 10 results from our list up until 100 more. The Search a Property function will help you find your wanted business listing if it's not in the top 100 results. Enter listing name and select desired result to get started. If you're having trouble finding a business listing for your desired company, click by CID and enter the numerical part of the wanted CID code. Double-check that all information added correctly before clicking on Choose Competitors. Once you've selected your targeted MyGMB listing, our system will ask which competitor listings you want to compare it with and move your audit on to the next step. If you still can't find your wanted business listing from the top 100 results, don't worry. You can use the Search a Property and by CID, as described in the previous step. Once you've selected your targeted MyGMB listing, our system will ask which competitor listings you want to compare it with and move your audit on to the next step. At this point, we'll be asking for confirmation on all of your information, including targeted keywords and location, as well as competitors with the MyGMB chosen in step number 3. You can also add additional information to your audit, such as renaming the competitor listing, describing it in more details, or uploading an image associated with. Once you click to the Go button on this page, GMB Crush will start importing multiple SEO data to each of your selected listings. When all the data has been imported into the selected MyGMB and competitor listings, we'll let you know through our notification system so that your Audit Wizard can be created immediately. Once you press the button Wizard on top right side of screen, your Audit Wizard report will be ready. With 24 crucial data points, this report will guide you and your team on how best to strategize for win. You can use each Audit Wizard to your advantage by sharing links that expire in 7 days and win some more clients. The next training episode will show you how to use the GMB Crush Wizard audit feature to create powerful SEO optimization plans with just a few clicks. See you on the next video.